to my channel. So I'm gonna talk a little bit quiet. My son is in the room, which is right next to my filming room, and he's taking his nap. So I don't wanna wake him up. I'm a hot mess today because I've just been doing housework, story of my life, and I have not had a chance to get ready. So right now I'm standing in my beauty room, which is a complete disaster. I've been trying for a really long time to figure out how to make this room work better because I have so much stuff and it's such a small room that I just don't have enough room for everything that I own. I'm gonna give you like a little tour of how messy and gross this room is right now, and then we are going to organize it. You're gonna watch me try to figure out how to make it work better. So this is what we got going on right now. So in the background of my videos, so this is where I sit and I film and I look at my camera right there. So in the background is this wall, so you can see how tiny this room is. It's not very big and I have a lot of furniture and a lot of crap in here. So I had a white dresser right here that had 6 drawers. And in all those drawers, I had like a bunch of shorts and then just a bunch of filming stuff. It was just my storage bin thing. But it was way too bulky, and I want to move all of my filming stuff right here so that way when I film, I'm facing this window, because in the early morning hours, a lot of sunlight is coming in this way. So I want to put my camera here so I can sit here and face the camera that way to have better lighting. So that means that this white thing needs to go on this wall. All of this stuff right here, my monitor, my computer, like all my, I don't know how I'm gonna fit all this over here, but that all has to go right there. I think I need to just take a bunch of stuff out of here. I'm also gonna get the, Austin, he built that white desk, that really, really long desk right there. He built that for me. You can see the legs. That way I could just have one huge desk and just be as messy as I wanted, and that's exactly what happened. But it's just taking up too much room, so I'm gonna have him take that desk apart, take it out of here. I'm gonna throw it away, and then I think I'm gonna just keep this desk. I think I'll just keep this one desk, or at least I'll have him cut that in half and make it smaller because it's just way too big. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so it is like several hours later. I had an appointment to go to, and then we had to rush home and eat dinner, and we've just been hanging out with Lawson, spending quality time together as a family. So Lawson took like a quick 30-minute nap, and while he was sleeping, Austin and I came in here and I had him do the things I needed him to do in order to make this room work better. So it's still not completely in order yet, but we have made such big progress and I am so excited about it. So I want to show you what's going on. Okay, so when we walk in the room, first of all, my carpet's missing. I don't know if I'm gonna put my carpet back or not because I'm thinking about getting a desk chair that has wheels on it so I can wheel back and forth between these two areas. So anyway, you walk in, and then here's my desk, which is gonna be cleaned in a minute. My monitor, so I have my lights set up. Obviously it's nighttime, but during the day, that window will be open, and so I'll be getting lots of light coming in on top of those 2 lights, which were, one was right here and one was right there. He moved those for me, and then I was able to put both of my umbrella lights up as well. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights. That's a lot of lights. I never have this one on while I'm filming. I only have those on. I think I need to get like 2 more umbrella lights to be behind me. That way I don't have shadows around me. But anyway, these umbrella lights I got off of Amazon, and they're really affordable. So if I need to order more, it's not a big deal. So my built-in bookshelf right here where I've got all my shoes, it's really cluttered right now because I have too much stuff on here, but I plan on organizing this a little bit more just to like get rid of like the miscellaneous things. What my problem is I don't have enough drawers. So I don't have enough storage for all of my stuff. These are gonna sit here for now. I might end up taking the wheels off and putting them under here. What I like about this station right here is that I will have this for doing my hair. So I have this mirror for doing my hair, and then I've got all my makeup right here, and it's like right behind me, so it won't be too difficult to grab. We're almost done. I'm gonna finish cleaning up and trying to organize a little bit more, and then I'm gonna show you the final result. You guys, it is done. It is done. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I cannot wait to film. I'm gonna film tomorrow. I'm ready to show you. So first, over here, we've got my drawers with all my makeup in it, eyeshadow palettes, mascaras, eyeliners, all that, hair stuff, mirror for my hair, A for, of course, me, and a candle burning, okay? Then over here, we've got a whole dresser of clothes. There is a bunch of nail stuff, shoes, shoes. I have so many shoes. I've got jewelry here, sunglasses, fun wigs. I've got 2 wigs back here in storage because I need to get 2 more styrofoam heads to be able to put them on. So there's all my shoes. Now I can access that shelf a lot easier because this isn't there anymore. Then we have my filming desk. So I know it probably looks really weird. It looks like I have a tinfoil desk. I saw this in some YouTubers' videos. They said it's a great idea because it helps the light reflect underneath your face, which creates less shadows. So I have not tried it yet in any of my videos. I'm gonna give it a try, but I use my computer as my monitor. I've got all my lights set up, and then of course in the daytime that window will be open and I will get some daylight as well. So there is my filming desk. I cannot wait. So obviously this is not the cutest layout, but like I literally need to access all of this while I'm filming. So I have to have all of this like right here at my fingertips, and then I use this mirror to see myself, but usually I use a little like handheld mirror. So there we've got my shelf of storage, which I've got to go through. I've got to empty out those baskets and look through there. I'm sure there's a lot of like expired stuff. Do you like it? Do you like Mommy's new room? Do you like Mommy's new room? See, it's so bright in here. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Say bye. Oh, it's not as blurry. There's a smile. Oh, it's so cute. Give me more dimples. Give me some dimples. Give me some dimples.